Imagine a tiny drop of sugary liquid glistening in the sunlight. Nectar. While it's famous for attracting buzzing visitors, its role is far more profound. This sweet substance acts as nature's invitation, drawing in creatures like hummingbirds, butterflies, and even bats. In exchange for their treat, these visitors unwittingly carry genetic material from one bloom to another, fueling biodiversity. But nectar also lures ants and other defenders who protect their hosts from threats. Through this intricate dance, nectar orchestrates alliances, ensuring survival and balance in wild ecosystems.